Sila ba't pila?
Sombrero nakasalamin.
Ba't pila grab? Ooh, the line is so long, guys. Hindi kaya, so we decided to book a Grab. Ang hirap lang mag-book ng Grab in this area. So, yun. The saddest McDo ever. Alida Fatima Church. So we bought fries, 2-piece chicken McDo. Yeah. The saddest McDo ever. What are you security? Masirum pa dalawang 2-piece kasi kailangan natin ng energy, guys. And then we also bought water na din for tomorrow. Water and beer. And then other stuff. Basta bukas na lang. We'll just have dinner, guys. Hi guys, good evening. It's currently, ba't laki na mukha ko? Currently 11:51 in the evening, and he's still doing some stuff over there while I'm getting ready to sleep. Kind of a long day today, but very fun, very nice experience. We're staying at Pasay area. It's very near the airport lang. If it's not traffic, probably 5 minutes to the airport. But with all the traffic and stuff, parang around 30 minutes. Not bad. Tomorrow, I'll show you the room. Hopefully, hindi nyo kami judge kasi medyo makalat. But I'll show you guys tomorrow. We'll have a room tour. But now, we just had a few beer and it's time for me to go to bed. Because tomorrow, we are going to... Joke! See you tomorrow, guys! Today's the day. Let's go. Good morning. Good morning. Time to clean up the mess. We had an unboxing last night. Things over there kasi wala silang baggage counter. Baggage counter. And then there, our camera bag, personal bag. Charging all our gadgets, and let's get ready na. Let's go. And today is the day, as I've said earlier, that we are going to our dream destination, guys. This is so unexpected, but I can't wait to share with you guys the things that we will be doing there. Anyway, before we go there, I will show you first the room or the place where we stayed here in Manila, particularly in Pasay City. So when you enter the room, diretso CR, ginagamit pa niya, so later on. And there's the mirror on your left side. They have TV here with a little dining area where we had our dinner last night, and a small table beside the bed. Here's the bed. It's kind of okay. It's very affordable. Very cheap lang siya. Good for parang overnight stay here in Pasay because it's really close to the airport. So now we're just getting ready and we will head to the airport. We'll see you there. Ayaw, ano na talaga. Morning, boss. Are you excited? Let's go! Woo! Ay, di nga packet pangalain daw. Good morning! Actually, mali kami ng pinasukan na gate. Hi!
Hello! Hi, microphone.
So, what are you excited about for this trip? What are you looking forward?
Nakakaintindi ako. Syempre, it's my first time in Batanes.
Woo!
And syempre, one of the dream destination.
Ever since ikaw? Ako
Pwede,
parang hindi ko siya naisip na dream destination
Kasi mahal.
because it's too expensive. But now we're going there. Let's go. ID. We're about to take off, going to our dream destination. So I'll see you in the next one.